Z is equal to cis pi by 6. We want to find the following: z squared, z cubed, z to the 6, z to the 12, z to the 13, z to the 2025. So, if we think about z squared, that is going to be cis pi by 6 times cis pi by 6. And we know here that we're going to add the arguments. So cis 2 pi by 6 or cis pi by 3. We could reasonably infer that squaring is going to produce this 2 pi by 6 situation. Now, as we go through, there's one or two of these I may change to Cartesian form. I'm not asked to do that, so otherwise I'm going to leave it in polar form. So this one's going to be cis pi by 3. And by the same sort of argument that I just used, this one would be cis 3 pi by 6. And that is cis pi by 2. Since that one's nice and easy, that's going to be I. Z to the 6 would be cis 6 pi by 6. Well, that's cis pi, and that one's quite easy, so let's just change that one, -1. Z to the 12 is cis 12 pi by 6, or cis 2 pi. This one's important. Remember this one. The power of 12, cis 2 pi, means we've gone all the way around and we're back to the start. Or not back to the start because we started with cis pi by 6, but we're back to just 1. Okay. So when we do z to the 13, that is cis 13 pi by 6. So that means that we've gone around and then on a bit more. So now we are where we started. That one is equal to cis pi by 6. And we know that because what we've done is we just subtracted 2 pi there to get it in the correct domain, the argument in the correct domain. Now this one, Z 2025, which gives you a clue as to where I'm recording this one, it would be handy to know how many times to get to 1. Every 12 would be back there. So Z to the 12 would be back there and Z to the 24 would be back there. So maybe what we should do is 2025 divided by 12. 12s into 20 go once with a remainder of 8. 12 times 6 is 72. So that leaves us a remainder of 10. 12 times 8 gives us 96. So it goes in 8 times, and then we get a remainder, since this is 105, we get a remainder of 9. So we're all the way down to there, and then we're going to go 9 pi by 6 on from there. So this one is cis 9 pi by 6, which is cis 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 is down there, and that is the same as cis -pi by 2, or if you like, minus I.